Online marketing methods for a healthy relationship with your patients. A greater patient engagement is a win-win situation for both the patient and the provider. For patients, it contributes to improved health outcomes, and for providers, it ensures a better reputation among their patients. This also increases patient referrals for them. So, how can you actually do that? One of the most basic ways to promote patient engagement is to improve patient-provider communication. This communication gap usually occurs once your patients leave the office. Apart from this, you need to set up a method of direct communication between you and your patient so they can interact with you about their health and medical issues. This will help you build a healthy relationship with patients. Taking a step further, now we'll let you know the online methods that must be implemented in your healthcare marketing strategies to maintain a positive relationship with your patients. Arranging a patient portal is the new strategy that doctors are now adopting increasingly to communicate with their patients and even give them a 24-hour access to their health records. One of its main benefits is that it bridges a direct interaction through messaging platform between the patient and the provider. This portal is just like a database where your patients need to log in with an ID and a password. It's like diving in your medical search history, where information such as record of various diseases they acquired over time, the medications and treatment they underwent, and the precautions advised to be followed are mentioned. This direct line of interaction, documented health plan and options of tracking progress encourages the patients to become more active participants. Other than this, engaging with your existing and prospective patients on different social media platforms is comparatively easier. It's because they spend a great amount of time on social media websites sharing information on health issues. Have a look at how you should engage with patients on Twitter and Facebook. You can tweet about your medical conference experience that you just attended to keep your community members informed. You can also tweet about any important change in the industry, its laws, or about an innovation in the treatment procedure. It's also recommended to tweet a blog post related to an important health issue, or a news article covering great health-related topics from around the world story, etc. Posting a Twitter chat on a trending medical or health-related topic is another advised way for greater patient engagement. This allows your patients a more real-time interacting experience with you. For engagement activities on Facebook, create a Facebook fan page for your practice. Keep posting interesting pieces of content, such as blog posts, articles, infographics, or video content related to important medical and health issues. You can also comment on the inquiries or suggestions of your patients, but try posting only general comments and not answering to particular individual patients' questions. For marketing your practice on Facebook, use your fan page instead of your personal account. This is because a fan page operates solely on likes. It avoids many risks of HIPAA violation by indicating that someone wants to receive more information from the person or the practice. Apart from these techniques, you can also prefer email marketing, which has also been a great healthcare marketing method for patient engagement for a long time. You can mail them about events you are going to organize, or mail newsletters to those who have already subscribed for it. So, once you are done with implementing these methods, you must have a website for your practice. This lets your prospective and existing patients connect with you in a more showful way. It lets them research about your practice and contact you when they want a medical or healthcare service. Well, if you've done this much, you've taken all the essential methods into consideration. But gathering online reviews is something that's most important in all the phases of healthcare digital marketing. Gathering positive online reviews for your practice can go a long way in building a positive relationship with your prospective and existing patients. Positive reviews aren't just loved by your patients, but by Google too. And when Google starts noticing your practice, patients start lining up for you. This is the era of digitization, and the major media shift has come out as sheer blessing for the healthcare marketers, because this gives you all a very convenient opportunity to directly communicate and build a rapport with all your patients.